Hello and welcome everyone. Welcome to BMCC IS Academy. Now, I myself Shivendra Kumar, and what I have come before you is we are going to talk about GS Paper 1 here, which we are obviously launching from Monday, that is 24th of November. Now, when we talk about GS Paper first, obviously it's one of the most important paper, and it comprises of three segments basically. It's history, geography, and social issues that we are dealing in. Now, when we talk about history, and from history we are going to start it. Now, history is a pivotal chapter, right? A pivotal segment in GS paper first. Now, when we talk about this GS paper first, history. Now, if we talk about the syllabus, right? So we will be starting from modern India, right? And the modern India is very important segment as such, because the history syllabus comprises of modern India, then post-independence period, then world history, then art and culture. So all these aspects are going to be covered, right? So we will be covering, we're starting the things from a modern the paper, a modern India as such. Now, इसमें हम लोग अगर बात करें कि इस एग्जामिनेशन में कि क्वेश्चन का पैटर्न क्या रहा है. Now, out of 250 marks, 250 marks का ये पूरा पेपर होता है. In that paper, 100 marks questions are from history, 100 are from geography, and 50 marks question comes from social issues. So this is the bifurcation of the marks. Obviously, in certain other PSC examination, often history is given much more weightage, right? तो ज्यादा weightage देते हैं history को. तो कई बार it is about 120 or something. Now this time around 7 questions have been asked, right? Now, when we talk about the 7 question, one question was from Arunachal history, the history of Northeast as such, when the Treaty of Yandabu was asked as such, right? So, this was one of the question that has surfaced this time, right? So, obviously, so one question, be sure that will be coming from the history of Northeast. Now, in modern India, if we talk about it, so out of 8 questions that generally surfaces in the examination, 8 question aate hain, right? 8 में 3 questions are from modern, 2 questions are from 2 or 3 question many a time. So 2 questions will be from world history, and then from post-modern 1 question often surfaces, 1 question post-independence से आ जाएगा आपका. Then 1 question will be from Northeast Indian history. So if we see in totality, now these are the vital segment that requires to be covered. Now, one thing is very, necessary to be given it to you, because one thing is there, history requires in-depth knowledge and in-depth presentation. So that's why it's very much required that you have apt knowledge and apt skill plus apt strategy to deal with it. आपके पास सिर्फ ज्ञान से नहीं होगा, because it's a mains examination. It's all about your writing skill. Plus, you need a hell lot of things to be covered. Now, obviously, you can't have the complete command on each and every segment. So you have to be, be strategic in your move, and that is very much required. Which are the segment where you need to focus on, where you need to, leave a bit loose. थोड़ा सा उसको लूज करेंगे, ज्यादा उसमें स्ट्रेच नहीं करेंगे. We know the superficial things about it, right? Now, क्यों? Because those are things which are least asked in the examination. One thing is there, बच्चों, एक बात मैं बहुत आप लोगों को बहुत सिंपल बात करता हूं कि the men's examination is completely predictable in nature, right? And most of the questions that surfaces in the examination are basically most of the things we have guessed, and it is not a rocket science as such. We have been seeing the question paper of different PSC examination and all. That's why we know okay, this is important and this is not important as such, right? But obviously in teaching, We tend to cover all aspects. We don't leave any stone unturned, right? And even don't leave even a nook or corner of the things, right? So we don't leave any corners of the syllabus. We are going to completely cover the syllabus in a way that is going to best suit you all, right? So we are going to start the class from 24th of, right? So on 24th of November, right? So I hope to see you all in that very class. Now, obviously, in that very class, when we're starting the modern India, the first segment, right? And that segment is what we are very well versed in. But after joining a single class only, you will get to know what are the things behind it and what are needed to be covered and all. Because see, when we talk about history now, history is not about what, and what, which is often taught by many people, right? So it's a beautiful combination of what and why. Now, that's is our focus area, because unless you don't know what why is, right? So what won't be surfacing much. So that is why it is very much required that a beautiful combination, a synthesized form of what and why we will be covering, plus we will be taking questions also from each topic. I would be giving around 3 to 5 questions for you guys to practice it, right? And this is the modus operandi we are going to be in. And just we hope ki we all will rock together. So see you guys on Monday. And from Monday, our journey for the best purpose, the noble purpose of getting my student, the dear ones, you all are so dear to, so close to my heart, right? So to get you through that side, that is passing the examination. So all the best, and let's start a new chapter from Monday, that is 24th of November. That's all. Thank you.